For question 7, we need to write the term that matches the pictures below. So on the left side of this first picture, I see corresponding sides. And on the right side, now I see that angles have been added. So, Isosceles triangle. Base angles theorem says that if I have two sides of an isosceles triangle congruent, then the base angles, the angles opposite those sides, are congruent. So write down isosceles triangle, base angles theorem. In the second picture, I start out given these two congruent angles, and on the right side, now I have congruent sides. Well, that's the first picture, but backwards. So that would be the converse of isosceles triangle, base angles theorem, which states that if the base angles are congruent, then the sides opposite are congruent. Then in the third picture, I see BC congruent to EF, AB congruent to DE, AC congruent to DF. I have three pairs of congruent sides. Angle B congruent to E, C congruent to F, angle A congruent to angle D. So this looks like Cpctc, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, which is abbreviated as Cpctc.